Hi guys, I will show you my garden in Grow a Garden. I have a good garden. I have good pets.
No.
I need shekels, bro. I'll show you. I'm just joking, guys. I don't need shekels.
Points away.
This is my garden.
No, this is my garden.
This is my garden.
That's my garden. Elijah's garden daw.
It's a little bit small.
Ayan o. Yeah.
And I have good pets. See? Come on, it's a good garden, guys. They have Zimbros. There's Zimbros in here. Okay, that's it. That's a short video, guys. Bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
I'll show you my second garden and first garden.
Me too.
I mean the third garden.
Me too.
Bye, guys.
Me too.
See you.
Me too.
See you on part 2.
Me too.
Bye.
Me too.